right. Make sure you do. Did you put it on neutral?
Mm-hmm.
We're about to get moved. And here we go. And off we go.
Yes, I know.
You haven't given a car wash in a while?
No, I haven't been to a car wash in a while.
It was time anyways.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
This is gonna do a lot of work. Yes, I can see it too. We are getting the clear coat protectant, we're getting the ceramic, and we're getting the spot fit vents, and at the end we're getting the tire shine.
Ooh.
It's coming up at the end. Here it comes.
Okay.
It's gonna light up when the tire shine is gonna be applied. It's gonna light up. Ooh, it smells good.
Yes.
And there it is. That smelled so good.
Wow.
Took about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Go.